Newly appointed Governor of Manipur, Laxman Prasad Acharya, took oath of office this morning in the Dhaba Hall of the Raj Bhavan, Manipur, Imphal. The oath of the newly appointed governor was administered by the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, Justice Siddharth Mridul. Acharya arrived in Imphal on July 30 to a warm reception by the Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabrata Singh, various ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh, and other senior officials at the Raj Bhavan. Acharya has been appointed as the Governor of the Assam and has also been given additional charge of the Governor of Manipur. Earlier on July 30, took the oath as the Assam Governor in Guwahati on Tuesday's afternoon. The oath of the newly appointed governor was administered by the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court, Bijay Visnoy, as Srimanta Sankardeva Kalasetra in the presence of the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Cabinet Ministers and other dignitaries.
आचार्य ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक मणिपुर के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूंगा तथा अपनी
और संस्कृति भी आपकी साथ है और देखा इतने त्योहारों के बीच में आकर के यहाँ वोट लेना आप सबके बीच में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरी राज्य के सुख शांति समृद्धि की प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। मिलूंगा, हम सब मिल बैठ करके अच्छा ही सोचना चाहिए, जो उम्मीद करती है उसके अनुसार काम होता है। शुभकामनाएं।